This is a Notifier 3030 system that is currently displaying an alarm. If you look at the display, it's showing that it's a smoke photo type Loop 2 Detector 002. In this scenario, perhaps you cannot access that detector to service it at this time because it's at the top of an atrium where you need a lift, or there's a hazardous condition. But we want to be able to reset the system and not have that detector trigger the alarm again. What can be done is to disable that device. To do that, press your main menu, Program Alter Status, enter the user password, not the programmer password, which is typically all ones. Press Accept, then go to Program Alter, Enable Disable, select your point. Now this defaults for analog detectors designated by the D. If you needed to disable a monitor point, press the button next to it. It changes that to an M. Or you can disable panel circuits, we'll skip that. Or a VESDA point, or a bell circuit, or a zone, or a logic zone, a speaker circuit, but we're going to do a detector. Mostly you'll be disabling either a detector or a monitor point. This is a standalone system, so it's going to remain as node zeros. We want Loop 2, Detector 2. Scroll over, change it to Loop 2, Detector 2, press Accept, then Disable. Are you sure? Yes. Now that detector is disabled, if you back out of the menu, we'll acknowledge we still have an alarm on the system shown here and right here under fire alarms. This other is our disabled point. Now you can do system reset either from this button or this button. When it's done resetting, the alarm should be clear and it'll just show that that detector is now disabled, which it does. It's been acknowledged that the detector is in disable mode. After the detector's service, you can re-enable the device by going back into the menu, Program Alter, User Password, Alter Status, Enable Disable. Remember that was on Loop 1, or Loop 2 rather, Detector 2. Accept, Enable, and then if you back out of the menu, the system should be normal condition.